Hey! That's right! We are doing another dope-ass review. And this time, it's on this bad boy right here. The Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. You know you use it every day. And you might be asking, why? Yes, this toothbrush is everything. I know you wanted to see it. I have had a lot of electric toothbrushes in my time, and this one is by far the best, people, and I'm gonna tell you why. You may have noticed I did a low-key brag on how amazing my teeth look. They're so white, people. So white because of this guy right here. And guess what? For under $70, you too can have teeth like me. Let me show you how this bad boy works. This Laifen Wave is a groundbreaking oscillation and vibration electric toothbrush that oscillates up to 60%. That is what your dentist recommends for a base brushing technique. Now that is some deep ass clean. Look at that. It goes 66,000 vibrations a minute. Look at the oscillation on this beauty, and in case you're a little drunk like me and don't know what oscillation means, it means vibration. It vibrates like 66,000 times a minute. And this baby oscillates the whole head, unlike other brands that only vibrate at the brush head, which means you are getting a much more effective brush every time. And there's 3 modes, okay? The toothbrush goes with the mode. So this little purple guy is the whitening, okay? This is for your gums. If you're like, I got sensitive gums, then you use the white brush, right? And then if you want super clean, just getting your neck clean, it's the blue guy. And there's modes, different modes you choose from, but these are, how nice are they? Because the dentist says that you're supposed to change your brush heads every 3 months because stuff can get really nasty up in there. I don't even want to think about it. But they're so nice, they give you 3 different heads so you can change it. That's like 9 months worth of brush right there. Stroking a piece of ice. Moving on. And this guy is so durable. It's gonna be with me for so long. It even is IPX7 waterproof. And it is heavy in the right way, people. It's just so perfect. It feels so durable. And here are some footage of their amazing app. This dope customizable brushing app lets you adjust your 3 settings, the 10 levels you have to choose from for speed, daily modes, and high frequency. It can even save your brushing preferences for you. Man, that saves time. And I just want to point out, it's got a magnetic charging cable. And it's so cleverly designed that it won't get soaked with water when you charge it. So cool, people. It really is so cool. And it only takes 2 or 3 hours to charge. So I could take a nap and wake up and my toothbrush is ready to go. But guess what? You only need to do it like once a month, because if you're brushing your teeth like me, at least 2 times a day, it lasts for an entire month. So you can like forget about it and get back to it later and charge it during night time. Who doesn't love that? And remember, those of you out there who like to drink, especially red wine, you need to take a little extra special care of your teeth. So remember to brush after drinking, but the experts at Laifen say you should wait 30 minutes after drinking before you brush your teeth to protect the enamel and prevent tooth decay and sensitivity. And you can opt for softer bristles on your brush heads to prevent enamel damage. So there are 3 awesome colors to choose from. Don't be jealous of my teeth. You go get yours today and you look as hot as me with my teeth when you buy this. The link is in the caption, and until next time, you know where to find me. Repeat episodes of Drunk Mom Reviews. Subscribe, like, and all that. Love y'all.